All right, guys, here it is. As promised, I told you guys as soon as we got one of these in, I would unbox it and walk around it for y'all. And we got it yesterday, and here it is today, guys. So 2022 KTM XCF 350 factory edition. Now don't get confused. I know this has confused some people. This is not the SXF factory editions that will come out in a few months. That will be the new generation. This is the XCF. This is based on the 19 to 22 generation bike, but you get all the bling, you get the oversized tank. This thing's set up for off-road racing and looks sweet. And we have done the math, guys. You cannot buy a stock model and put all the KTM power parts and the FMF and the Henson and all that on it and get it for nearly as cheap as this bike. So you are getting a deal if you pick up this bike, plus you get the Red Bull graphics and the rights to those in the future because you have a factory edition VIN. So, man, I say this every year, but I think this is the sharpest factory edition I've seen yet. It looks absolutely sick. If you're unfamiliar with what's going on, this was the Caleb Russell edition last year. He's since retired, so his numbers are not here anymore, and this is the factory edition. So, really cool. If you want to know the detailed specific list of everything that comes on this bike, just go back down my video list, a few videos, and you'll see the thumbnail of this bike. I posted a detailed video telling you exactly every piece that comes on this bike as opposed to a stock bike. So today I wanted to give you a little walk around, and then stick around for a second because we are going to start this bike up and let you hear it. Absolute beautiful machine. Now if you are here for the new SX models, just stay tuned. I already dropped a video on the spy photos of the new gen SXF, so you can go back and take a look at that, and just keep an eye on the channel, guys, because as soon as we get information on the SXFs, I'm gonna drop it on the channel. As soon as we get one here at the dealership, I'm gonna do a walk around. So hit the subscribe button, hit the join button, and join the race team. Follow AOMC and MXG across all the socials. All right, you ready to start this thing? Let's do it. Alright guys, now all of our 350 XCF factory editions here at AOMC are accounted for, but we may still have SXFs, the new generation bike, that are not accounted for yet. So if you're interested in a KTM, a Husqvarna, a Gas, a Beta, a Sherco, anything like that, you need to contact sales at AOMCMX, and Mike will get you hooked up in the direction you need to go to get aboard one of these. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to know the details of everything on the bike, just go down to that video a few videos down, and it'll have everything you need. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Let me know what you think, all that. I will see you guys in the next video.